Good morning to all of you. Andarki Shubhodayam. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukar. This case relates to Operation Sindhu. You all know our people, they were attacked by the terrorists in Pahalgam of Kashmir. 28 people died. Most of them males, only one woman, she died. And out of them, two are from Andhra Pradesh, one is my boy's classmate, was from Kabul. So, Operation Sindoor was conducted against this and it was a successful operation. Yesterday, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji he also declared in the Parliament that it was a success and they have stopped the Operation Sindoor. But when it is going on, of course, there are certain persons who are not, who are against to this and they are liable for punishment. This is what is stated. Putting the video status of Indian flag burning. Go back to Article 51A. You should respect the national flag. This is the duty of the citizen of India. But you can't put this video status of the Indian flag burning. It definitely attracts the offences under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The FIR, we are not going to quash it. This is what is stated by Bombay High Court. The two judges bench, Justice Ajay Gadkari and Rajesh Patil. In the case of Farah Deba, she is a lady, Farah Deba, F-E-R-A-H-D-E-B, versus State of Maharashtra, writ petition number 3257 by 2025. Herein, on 29th July 2025, the Honorable Bench held that sending laughing emojis for the celebrations of Operation Sindhu in WhatsApp group, putting the status of Indian national flag burning, and another video saying Prime Minister sitting in a rocket, it would attract the offences of acts endangering the sovereignty, integrity and union of India and promoting enmity between different nations, different ethnics and different groups. So, all this relates to crime number 178 by 2025, registered under sections 152, 156, 196, 352, 353 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. In Pune, this case was registered in Mango Heights police station. Right. This Farah Diba, she is aged about 46 years. She is a teacher. She is a postgraduate in English literature and she is a BD teacher. And she created stir, she created sensation in Pune when she reacted with the laughing emoji and also the video of Indian national flag burning. So therefore, it has become sensational. So many fringe groups, they wanted to take against her. They came to the police station. They have done some dharna, relay fast like that. So therefore, police registered the above case in crime number 178 by 2025 under sections 152. So 152 mainly deals with previously 153A. Any act endangering the sovereignty, unity and integrity of our country, that is India. Section 96. Any act which promotes enmity between two groups, between two religions, like that. Then section 352. Here the mens rea, intentional insult to promote the breach, to provoke the breach. Section 353. This is public mischief. So these are all offences presently under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Right. Then, actually, the background story is that her family, mother side and paternal side, they belong to Pakistan. And therefore, she addresses the nation as Makkar. So the High Court, prima facie, on seeing the contents of the FIR, they say that itself shows the mens rea behind the crime by her. Intentional indakandike mens rea. What is mens rea? Any act done with the intention of doing something. So there is intention. The intention is malintention, malicious intention, that is to defame India. So the post itself shows her mens rea. So even though now she tendered upon the advocate Garu, I am sorry in Japan, even though now the petitioner tenders apology, but innumerable damage, unaccountable damage was done because the message, her messages, WhatsApp group were circulated. So please remember, nowadays it has become a fashion for spreading nuisance through the social media. వాడు లేస్తే ఎవడో 10 మంది కూడా ఇద్దరు రారు అడిగి, బట్ సోషల్ మీడియాలో చంపేస్తా, నరికేస్తా, వాడిని అజ్జేయాలి అంటుంటారు. ఇది నేను చూస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి వీ డోంట్ గివ్ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ టు ద సోషల్ మీడియా. సో బట్ ద రియాక్షన్ చూడండి, హైకోర్ట్ హ్యాస్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ the local unrest in the local areas can be seen from the photos which depict a group of people approached the local police station and they have staged dharna. They have staged really fast. So even though we have to think of educated persons, this Farah Deba, she holds a master's degree in English and she is a bachelor education. She has to provide, she is working as a teacher, I believe. So BEd. She says that she is not mentally well. So ఇది నా ఉద్దేశం, జనరల్గా లాయర్ గారు ఏదో పెట్టుంటాడు, ఏదంటే కోర్టుకి ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఇది ఒక వన్ ఆఫ్ ది రీజన్స్. She claims that she is not mentally well. But High Court said that her message created stir as certain people stage dharna. So a prudent person, చూడండి మీకు ఎప్పుడు a man of ordinary prudence అంటానే, a prudent person is expected to think about the pros and cons of forwarding or posting any message. That too, an education person has to think twice. No doubt now she realizes that her posts were controversial, and she says that she posted them due to deranged mentality. But this defense is not at all acceptable, and this will not be helpful to her because whatever damage was done has already been done. Here, man of ordinary prudence, general knowledge, general people. So all of you are well aware that the WhatsApp administrator or WhatsApp group admin is responsible for the content. No doubt you may claim that it is individual liberty, but days are like that people are spreading venom, VENOM, and it has become a fashion to use the social media for these unlawful activities. So therefore, no excuse. The FIR, she has to face the trial, let her face the trial. She has to face the music. Honorable High Court gave a precedent, very good case law, please note down. Ashraf Khan alias Nirsat Khan. Ashraf Khan alias Nirsat Khan versus State of Uttar Pradesh. ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్లో మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది, ఏమాత్రం నోరెత్తిన వాట్సాప్ వీడియోని కట్ చేసేస్తాం. సో కాబట్టి putting a video, making a video against the integrity of the nation, later saying sorry, later saying I was not mentally well, will not at all be accepted. This is what you have learned from this case law. Please read the case law and understand legal laws. Thank you very much.